Ohio Central Railroad 4027 tunnel motor going to notch 8 here at Zanesville Yard. Got some covered hoppers here. I think they'll be going on the ZVL tomorrow morning. The rest of these are behind these cars are going to be trash cars, which will be going to the New Lexington dump later tonight. Sorry for the glare here. Got some other cars stored on this track. This right here is the old Zanesville freight house. It's now a mall complex. 2175 is sitting behind the other cars here. We also got a Conrail Quality Super 7 4096. Alright, there's the trash cars. You can see the rest of the tracks here at the mall complex. And there's the yard office. Right over there across the street, well, across the tracks from here is the original yard office. Got some old relay cases sitting behind the fence here. Lots of trash that's going to be going to the dump later tonight. Most of the trash comes from the state of New York. Right over there is Dooley's Diner, and that was part of the Freight House passenger complex. There's other miscellaneous freight cars sitting on the other side of the yard here. This right here is a former Wabash Railroad caboose. And here's the grade crossing here, and then right across from the railroad track is Zane's Landing. The rest of this track, looking that direction west, crosses over the Muskingum River, follows the Baltimore and Ohio track right of way. The upper left-hand track is a former Pennsylvania Railroad line which takes you down to New Lexington onto the old Toledo and Ohio Central Railroad trackage. As you can see, this is a very long train. Boy, can you smell that trash. Alright folks, here's the end of the train. They're going to hook on some locomotives later today. The rest of the train will go out tonight. He's going to clear that track. He's got a couple of cars to clear, so he's going to let the helpers come in. And now the crossing gates are deactivating and the gates are going back up. It looks like the locomotives going on tonight will be 4096 and 2175. I don't know if he's going to stop or if he's going to continue on down the tracks. Oh, there's a few more engines behind there I forgot to mention. So, well, that's it for right now. Please stay tuned for more great train video action. And until then, this is NS Steampunk reporting live from Zanesville. Tower 93, over and out.